Good day guys, welcome to Trending Wood. In today's tutorial I will show you guys how to do this torn paper effects. There's this, although there's this one that trend one certain period like that, but that's just, this one is actually different from the other one. Now with this torn paper effect you can use it for text. There are some designer clothes, you see a design like this, then inside this black space, let me just use my draw to just illustrate what I'm talking. Then inside this black space now there's always a text, and most of those text is always like something like shut up or smoke, something like that. So but this one I did it with a design actually. So let me just show you how it was gotten, how we did it. So first of all, what you do is, now some persons normally use image with background, but me I use image without background so that we can use it on a different flyer altogether. So the first thing you do is to import your image without background. You can use image with background, you can also use image without background. So this is our original image. So what I did was, since the only thing I needed is the face, I just crop out the whole body and collected the face of the design. That's what I needed. The body is important, but for now I don't need it. So the second thing I did was to go to my gallery, then I downloaded a torn paper effect. Now I will not drop these details in the link. I would like you to go download it by yourself so that you can as well know how to fish out some of the things you need. Now I only drop details that I use in church flyer design and other design that I know that getting it will be difficult. But this one, once you just go to your Pinterest, just type this thing, torn paper effects, you will see it there. You will see different kind. You'll be the one to choose the one you love. So what I did was I changed the color to pure white, then I centralize it, then I lock it. Let me hide it. Then this first image, the image that we imported, we'll change it to pure black, that's black and white pattern. So we'll go to our color filters, take our saturation to -100. Now if you take the hue to -100, the image will get darker and it will not deliver what we need. So let me just reduce only the saturation. So let me return the hue to 100. So the next thing we'll do now is to duplicate this picture and centralize it just the way we did the first one. Then the second one we duplicated, now we'll have the original color of the image. Are you seeing? Then we'll now drop it, make sure we align the second one with the black and white. So the torn paper effects now will be on the picture that has the original color. Then you match the torn paper. Now before that, also duplicate the torn paper effects. Let me hide it. Then now you're merging the picture that has the original image and the torn paper effect together. You match them together. You lock it. Then go to your color eraser, tap on your color eraser, you erase. You see that we've already gotten close to what we need. Then your tolerance, just bring it up a little bit. You can stop at 20 depending on what you need. Then you bring out the other torn paper effects that was hidden. Then you bring it down, just long press, then drag it down, then bring it down to this other image. Just bring it down a little bit, then go to your shadow, enable your shadow. You can just reduce the opacity of the shadow a little bit. So just tap on your plus sign here to reduce, then you tap on this side to make it transparent. then you lock it, you duplicate the layer also, then go to your 3D, rotate it, then you also bring it long press it, then bring it to the down, bring it down, then you also drop it at this other side or this other part of the image. Now there's a poster that I think brother Shaggy, Kiriko and some of the comedian, there's one of the movie posters that they use this stone paper effect, though I've forgotten the name of the movie. So I'm not just teaching you what is not useful. So now what you do is you remove the background, then save it as PNG, then go to your background eraser, erase the white color and everything. So it's a gradual process, just journey with me. So let's save it. Now that movie poster, I don't actually know the name. I think Kiriko is there, but Shaggy is there, and one other comedian is also there. I don't actually know the name. So you can use it. I'm not just teaching you because I just feel like I'm teaching you what I know you use. So now we are taking out the white background. So just zoom it a little bit. Now this is the app I use in erasing my background. Then erase it gradually. Don't rush. Just take it gradually. Just take it gradually. It's a gradual process. Just make it. One of the things that also shows professionalism is the neatness of your work, especially when it comes to removing background, copying that background. That's where most persons normally feel. Then reduce the size a little bit. The work is actually clean, but the image has some particles of the background. It always makes your work to look unprofessional, at least as if this work is coming from a beginner, something like that. So come to this side also, take it gradually, just the way you did the other part. Then you erase. I told you that some persons normally use background image that has background, but me, I decided to use this image that has no background so that you can use it on another flyer. Then at the end I will show you the thumbnail of this particular video so that you will see that I'm not just teaching you anyhow thing. Then now you reduce the size, then now you tap your done, tap on your save. Then let me just quickly rush to my Pixellab, then I show you the thumbnail of this video. So let me just go to my projects. Are you seeing the thumbnail of this video? Are you seeing? Good evening, man. So please guys, kindly subscribe, share this video with your friend, and don't forget to comment. Tell me what you want me to work on in my next tutorial. See you guys again. Thank you for watching.